one. This is indentation. See, this is indentation. See on the second line, this is indentation. So make sure it's the indentation is on the second line, not the first one. This is different with writing a paragraph. In writing a paragraph, indentation is on the first line, but not on the second line. So be careful about that. And then after that, use references making in the word for easier access. I'm going to show you again. It's over here. Now, please use this. This is not always perfect. Remember, always avoid always. But use this one. This is easier. So this one. So it's over here. Use this one. It's easier. And after that, this is going to be like 80% of the job. So it's easier for you. Make sure you're going to use APA. APA 6 edition, and this is not bibliography, but check references. Oh, no sources in the current document. Of course, I haven't put anything. Click here, add new source. It's already there. All the information units should be there. It's going to be easier. Then after that, copy paste the references to your work. That's it, as easy as that. We're going to come back here again. Now, that's the reference list. Any questions so far? Do you understand what I mean?
I don't really get it, Miss. Can you repeat that?
Of course. I will repeat again. Honey, which one you don't understand?
For number 2 and 3, perhaps.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay, first. Thank you very much, Honey. Use anonymous for articles without writers. Let me show you articles without. Oh, wait. Put numbers first. Because, see, this is in the alphabetical order. Do not put numbers like this one. Now see, you do not put numbers. So there are students who actually put numbers in the reference list. Reference list come without number, honey. So do not do this. 2, 3. So see, do not put numbers like this, okay? Because we already in alphabetical order, so do not put numbers. So no numbers. Can you understand it so far? So don't put numbers.
Yes,
okay?
yes.
Okay. Now the next one is if there is no writer. Okay, let me go with let me give you an example. What is the latest news in Indonesia? Penolakan vaksin. Rela hati ikut vaksin. Survei apa this one? Tolak vaksin. This one. There is Ayu Maharani. See, Ayu Maharani. This is Ayu Maharani. Okay, no, I don't think. I thought it's my friend, but no. See, there is writer here. For article without writer, I want to show you this one maybe. Okay. Let me show this. My God, I could not believe it. This actually without writers because it's from BBC. See, there is Hidayatullah here. So there is name. But if article without name, so there is no writer, then put anonymous as the writer. Because, see, suppose when I see here in add new source, when you add new source, because it is a website, there is author here. So then author use anonymous. Can you understand that?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now, anybody else has any question?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, please.
For me, when there is no author, I use corporate author.
You what?
I use corporate author.
Corporate author, you said?
Yes.
What is a corporate author?
I learned that from YouTube.
You mean you write down, in here you write down corporate author like this?
No. I write down the company.
Oh, the company. Yes. That is also one way. Especially if it is a report. Like for example, laporan pengadaan UN di Indonesia, something like that. There will be no author. It usually created by team. You can put here kementerian, blah blah blah. That is like, I think my example will be see like Department of Environment and Energy, no date. See, this is corporate author, meaning the corporate as the author. That's also possible. However, honey, you're going to find an article. Oh, I'm trying to find the Onion maybe. The Onion vaccination of it. Let's you know the Onion is not a good one, right? I want to know their this one. I want to know what's their in brief. I want to know their I want to know their oh my God. Okay, I want to know their see, good one. See, so this is Charles Barkley's plus today fragile NBA player who can just play through COVID like he did. Remember, I told you before, if there is no, I'm going to discuss further. So there is no author here, and that's it. The end. Okay, no author. Can you see? See, if there is no author like this is no author, you cannot just put the Onion because the Onion is the name of the website. This is how you're going to put anonymous. Can you understand me? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Any other question?
Sorry, Miss, I don't get it. How?
Oh, that's okay, honey. That's okay. I'm going to explain it. Can you see this? Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, see, this is the news, very brief, news in brief, because it's brief, very short. Can you see that there is no writer here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if there is no writer like this news, that's where you're going to put anonymous here. Like that. The example is my news just before. Okay?
How about the corporate author?
Now, the corporate author is something like this. That's actually a different content. This is like UMBK. Let me just do this. Laporan, this one, laporan hasil ujian nasional for this one. Now, let me let it open. Usually, this is just an example, but you're going to find a lot more later. Believe me, when you have English with me later, you're going to read different kind of academic writing. Now, okay, sedang menyiapkan, silakan tunggu. I'm going to wait. I'm patient enough. Okay, too long. Okay, I give you 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, too long. Come on. This seems to be like a very long report. Now, for example, okay, for example, this is capaian nasional tahun pelajaran 2009. Remember, if this is about UN, this is a very important result, right? Imagine you going to make an article about this, like what is the average score for bahasa Inggris? Oh my God, in Indonesia, can you see that? The average score of English is 53. My God, this is so bad. MTS 45. Oh my God. In mathematics, can you imagine that? The score of mathematics in all over Indonesia, the average is, this is sad, right? Can you imagine somebody going to make an article about this? Okay, imagine somebody going to make an article about this, and they're going to use the information they get from this website like this. Okay, can you imagine that?
Yes, Miss.
Now, see, there is no writer of this report, right? How do you know? How do you know the writer? If you want to complete this data, suppose you want to complete this is from a website, right? There is no writer, but we have the web page. The web page is, if you fill this, yeah, let me just start again. This is capaian nasional. This is, sorry, capaian nasional tahun, the web page is, ya, laporan hasil ujian nasional. This is the one, laporan hasil ujian nasional. That's the web page. Let me just get the website so it's easier. So I'm not going to go back again. So this is the website, capaian laporan hasil ujian nasional. So in here the web page is laporan hasil ujian nasional. That's the title of the page. The website is this one. The year, let me go back here again. The year, because there is no year, this is just the year of the content, okay? But this is the date when we actually get the data. So this is 2021. Month is now is February, and now is 24. The URL is the complete URL. So copy paste everything. This is, thank you, Pak. This is the URL. Okay, but this is not anonymous because we know this is from Kementerian. Now, this is the corporate writer that who's been talking about? Who said that? Kind of forget the name, but okay. This is Pusat Penilaian Pendidikan Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan. Pusat Penilaian Pendidikan. So this is what we call as corporate author. Corporate author, see? Pusat, see there is a click here. Penilaian, what is it? Pusat Penilaian Pendidikan, right? Penilaian Pendidikan Kementerian, sorry, it's supposed to be Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan. Okay, now this is what you're going to do. So, okay, there you go. Then you put, if you put it into a reference, there you go. See, corporate author. Can you understand what I mean?
Yes, but why did we the day? Today, I mean.
Yeah, today. Yes, correct. It's today.
Why
Now,
not?
this is what you're going to copy paste in your result reference list, in your reference list assignment. See, as easy as that. Easy, right?
I mean, sorry, why did we should use 24 February, not the year of 2019? Because
no, honey, because we access it at that time. We access it now. This is the date. If it is online, if there is no date, let me go back here again. In here, there is no exact date, like what time, what date, because if it is internet, honey, if it is internet, you have to have a date, just like newspaper, not just year, because year is a lot, because internet can change many times in, say, a minute, right? If you cannot get the date, so compare to this one, honey, compare to this one. This one, this is news, right? There is date. If there is date like this, use this date, okay? There is date. But if there is no date like this, there is no date, use the day when you access the file. That way, people will understand that, oh, at least if, for example, let me go back here again. People will understand if they suppose they access it December 2021 and it's no longer there, the information is no longer there, they can understand, oh, the website is still available at least until February 24.
Oh, okay, Miss.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Anybody
Miss,
else? Yes, please.
If in the website is just a year, should we include the access date or just the year?
Always access date, honey. If it is a website, it always access date.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yeah. So if it is a year, please don't. If it is a year, this is how you're going to do it. Like this, the example, this one. But do it in the writing. So let me just write down here. Menurut data Puspendik tahun 2019, Sorry. Nilai rata-rata nilai rata-rata UN pelajar. See, like this, and then period here. Sorry, period here. See, this is how you're going to put it. So you put here, but the access still 21. Can you understand it?
Yes, Miss.
That's how you make it clear. Okay. Can I continue? Stop me anytime. Okay. So anyway, then next, then what concludes a good reference? Then how do you know that a reference is good or not? Remember, please do read everything. There is no law. There is no, if somebody tell you, you should not read this material, don't believe them. You should not believe this material, yes, probably. But read, no. I believe we should actually read a lot of type of writing, hoax, non-hoax, so that we will know which one to choose. A good one or a bad one. If you think that this is a bad one, don't continue. But still open your mind that some good reference are out there. Next, a good reference. Yes, please.
I forgot to ask you about how if there is just a year, not a month or a day.
Where, honey? Right.
Sorry, Miss?
Is it in a web? Is it in a website?
Yes.
You have to put the day when you access it.
But there is a year.
When there is only, yeah. You see, like this one, like exactly like my sample, honey. In my sample, there is a year, right? Let me just put this. See, there is a year. But because the website does not actually conclude any date, so what I'm going to put in my report here is the day when I access it. So this is the date when I access it. See, now today. While on my writing, I do put this one, the data date. Can you understand that?
So we should input the date and the month. It should be.
If it is an online resources, you have to put the date and the month. Yes, correct. Because imagine, honey, February 25, they could take down the website. Okay. This will mark that, hey, when we open it February 24, it is still there. If February 25 it is not there, well, that's not my problem because our data says February 24, it is still there. That's the meaning of this February 24. Can you understand that?
Yes, yes, you can continue.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, again, a good reference comes from a legitimate website, meaning ending in .go.id, .edu. If it is ending in .com, be very careful. They could be a good reference, but not all .com are good reference. Just be careful, including .net. I have told you about this last time. Now, with writers expert in discuss field, meaning you have to check the background of the writer. Who claimed to say that? Is he or is she the expert? For example, if I told you like electric cars is the best solution to tackle global warming, I said that. What is my expertise? Well, you can just listen to me, but don't believe me because I'm not the expert on that. Okay, so that's what I mean by writers expert in discuss field. And in about us page, when you open the page, let me open it again, sample. About us. Ooh, in here it's going a lot. This one, about us in here, BBC. What is usually if it is newspaper is down under. hubungi. Now this one is hubungi, or sometimes it's about us, sometimes only about. But it's in bahasa, it's going to be hubungi. In about us, so let me repeat again. In about us page, there are more than one writer and there are editors. Editor is super important because editor or editors are the people who going to make sure that all the content is responsible, reliable, and trustworthy. So that's why if an article does not come with an editor, be doubtful, be suspicious. This could be not a good source. Next, readers can only comment, they cannot post something themselves. This is also important because if readers can actually send something and upload something to the website directly, that means there is no editors. That is not a good reference because anybody can post something there. I'm going to continue with the bad reference first. After that, I'm going to start the question and answer session. What is a bad reference? See, the name of the website is strange and weird. Take a look at the name of the website. If the name is like funny, the content could be not serious. If you want to, so in here, this also work with your email. Take a look at your email. If your email still have masganteng@gmail.com or ceweks imuts@gmail.com, that's not an official email. That's not a good one. So please change. Okay, take a look at your email. So don't do that. Don't use that. So it should sound official and should sound legitimate. So and then the content of the website is relevant to the name of the website. So if it is about newspaper, then it is about the title of the newspaper, thing like that. And the web is not scholarly developed to discuss the topic, meaning the website can contain a lot of material, a lot of diverse subject. That's actually not a good reference. So usually a scholarly what is scholarly? Academically. So if it is academically developed to discuss the topic, then it's going to discuss only one topic, the whole website. Then most of the time there is no writer. Most of the time, okay, not all of the time. Remember about the Puspendik, Pusat Penilaian Pendidikan. They don't have writer, but it is still a good one. So, but most of the time there is no writer if it is, for example, like news, because it's a joke. If there is a about us page, it consists only one person and no editors because it is only usually a blog. The last one, readers can also upload some article themselves. This means there is no editors. Okay, I'm going to stop here first. Any question or comment? Oh my God, I have only 45 minutes.
Miss,
Any question or comment?
Miss, if I got more than 75 in reference list test, may I redo my test or not?
Oh, you have 75? Honey, it's actually up to you. If you get above 70, you don't have to redo your test. But if you want to have a better score, please do. I will always check it.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Now this is a difference between good and bad reference. Now, how to fix this? Suppose your assignment got under 70 score. This is the thing, honey. Everybody in this class, I mean everybody, should have 70 at least. If you get under 70, I'm going to call you. I'm going to ask you to fix it. Why? Because mastering this skill, mastering how to create reference list, going to be the basic skill you're going to use for the next report text. In order to be able to develop a report text, you have to master how to create a reference list. So that's why everybody should get above 70. not 75, 70. So I will make sure everybody got 70 before you can continue to the next part. I will discuss the report text after Miss Eva finished discussing the biography. How to fix it? Sign in to your email, then open the link of the form again. So if you click the form again in the Google Classroom, they're going to ask question, do you want to edit your submission? So that's why just edit your submission, okay? Oh, sorry, when you have finished, if I have not increased your score, or your score is not changing, please text me, reply my text message and say, Miss, I have fixed the score. I have fixed, my answer. So I will recheck again and rescore you again. Now I'm going to open, I'm going to open whose work that I have the permission to check before. I forgot. It's a girl, Diva, right, Diva?
Yes,
Diva?
Miss.
Yeah. Is it you, right? I have the information from you, yeah, right? Okay, Diva. Okay, Diva. I'm going to check the last part, Diva, because okay. Diva, this one. Okay, see? Not this one. Okay, anonymous. Thank you very much. Oh, see, it's supposed to be rabbit care tips. This is honey. This is not. See, this is supposed to be in here. Supposed to be the website. The name of the website. This is the name of the web page. I don't think this is the name of the website, because the name of the website, it should be like www something. This is the URL. Okay, Diva? See, this is the name of the website, honey. National Geographic is the name of the website. So www.nationalgeographic.com, and this is actually the web page. So if I give you this sample, the name of the web page is this one. This is the web page. The title of the news. This is the web page. It's a page about this one. The name of the website is over here. See above. And I'm afraid you will not be able to see it. See above here. This is the name of the website. So if I use here, so this is one. The first one, after.com. So this is the name of the website. Okay. This is the name of the web page, which is the page. This is the name of the website. And this is the complete URL. Okay? You
So
got
web
that?
page is the title of the article?
Correct. This is the page about this page. What is the page about? This is Charles Beckwith, blah, blah, blah. So this is the name of the web page, or the title of the article. That's the web page. Okay? Okay, any question?
Got it. I got it, Miss.
You got it? Great. Fix it again, honey, okay? That's it. Any other question? No? Now let's check the attendance again. Hi, Kalsami, honey. Hi, Kalsami. Who's not coming?
No one, Miss. Complete.
Perfect. How about Irfan? I should have 59. I need 3 more people. Irfan, honey, who's not coming?
When I checked 5 minutes ago, Nabila and Ikram.
Could you ask them why they're not here?
I've called them, but no answer.
Okay, thank you very much. You have done your work. Andika, honey, who's the one person not coming?
Well, actually, in my class, it should be complete.
It should be complete?
Yeah. Nobody's not coming.
Strange. I'm missing one person, either you or Haikal's coming class then. Anyway, that's okay. This mystery person is going to come up anyway. Okay, anyway, now let's continue. Now, next part is writing ads. Are you ready? This is actually the main activity today. Can I continue?
Yes,
yes, please.
Okay, good. Now, class objective. What is the class objective? What is this class about? First, we're going to learn what creates great ad. Ad is stand from advertisement or advertisement. Either is okay. It's like potato, potato, like tomato, tomato is the same thing. Then after that, we're going to learn how to promote it. You need to have an Instagram account. Can anybody in this class tell me if he or she does not have Instagram account? Everybody has Instagram account? Good, perfect. Yay, perfect. You have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Next is to get satisfactory recognition. So you're going to have this recognition. The recognition that we have will be likes, or views if it is movie. Advertisement matters. Advertisement is very important. Why it's important? First, because it is going to let people know about your event. We are going to develop before I continue. Do you know what is the Bahasa version of advertisement?
Iklan.
Yes, we are going to make advertisement for OSIS event. So far, I know we have Sonlis, right? We have, what is the coming one?
I care.
I care. And we have one more, a very big one. iFun. Okay. We're going to develop advertisement for either Sonlis, either I care, or iFun. So people will know about your event. So people will know about it. Then after that, we also want to invite more engagement. What is engagement? Engagement is response. Like you expect it. For example, they register to your event. So that's the engagement we want. And before I continue, so this is why this is what we're going to learn and what we're going to make this meeting and next meeting. When is your English after this? Thursday?
Arab.
Thursday or Friday? No, I mean, you have two English, right?
Oh, after
Today
this is
and
Arabic.
Friday.
As for Friday,
okay. You going, but it's English, right?
Yes.
You also have English on Friday, right? Okay, good.
Yes.
So this week, now you're going to learn about what you're going to do. On Friday, you're going to start developing your ads, your advertisement, so you can upload it to your Instagram. That's so on Friday, we do not have Zoom session. Do it yourself, okay? That's what we're going to do this week. Now, I'm going to give you samples. What is a good advertisement? Instagram advertisement, what's the bad one? So I'm going to show you the good one first. See, this is good. I like this actually. See, take a look at the color is nice. And then the picture is clear. And then there is, see, caption, complete caption. See, and then the comment, it is important to read the comment as well. There are kind of a lot of it, and then oh my god, 400 likes. See, this is a good example of a good advertisement. Then another good advertisement is like this. See, it is very simple but very complete. I like this. See, very simple, only the important information, and the caption is not long but with a lot of tagline, hashtag. And then also engage people, also questions. People like it. A lot of people, 800 even. See, a good one. However, do not create something like this. Oh my God, take a look at this. This could be informative, but so small. How can you read this? You have to click on it. Even when you click, you cannot click on it. You have to capture it, read it. Don't do this. And the caption is not long, so don't do this. It's too small. Okay, even though it's got a lot of likes. And then do not do something like this as well. This is too simple. See, only like this. The tagline, the caption is okay, But then take a look at the comment. Kegiatannya online apa offline? Oh my God, this is one important information. If your audience, your readers still need to ask this kind of question, that means your advertisement is not good. Every information that the reader need to know should be there in the picture or in the caption. So make sure you complete all the necessary information. Okay? Don't worry, honey. This presentation is in your Google Classroom as well. So it's there. So don't worry about it. So you have a copy of this presentation. Okay? Can I continue?
Yes, Miss.
Any questions?
Yes, of course, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Next, what creates communicative event ads? What should you provide in your ad? First, should have clear information. What is the event? Who hosts it? When does it happen? Who are the target audience? Is it senior high school, junior high school? Everybody can join. Tell me, tell us, and how to register. Put that information as well. After you have a clear information, write in short sentences. Use short sentences for better comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. To understand it better, use short sentences. Use special tagline if possible. Tell me, what is Sunlist tagline?
Remembering to create
For the future, for us.
Something future, right? Tagline from iCare. Not yet. How about the tagline for iPhone? You don't know? How could you? Anyway, after you, and don't forget to check the grammar because it should be perfect grammar. The next one, balance picture and caption. Okay, this is what creates communicative ads. Sample. This is sample from last year. The first sample. Now, this is from Arshad. You know Arshad, right? You know Arshad, right? Don't tell me you don't know who's Arshad. You do know Arshad, right? Guys,
Guilty
are you
of
still
not
there?
knowing.
Oh, no. Honey, this is your senior. I guess he is 11 graders, right? We guilty of not knowing.
Yes.
Astaghfirullahaladzim. Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, so this is a band competition on Soundlist again. So take a look at this. So there is the picture match with the content. There is also a caption. This is a good one. But do not make something like this. I'm so sorry to bring this as this is from Ilham. Take a look at this. So simple, too simple. So nothing here. Don't forget to tag. Who's this? See, tag me. So who's this? This one, and then after that, even though the caption is quite long, but still not too simple. Don't do that. What to do now? I'm going to show you. So in your Google Classroom, I'm going to go back here again. In your Google Classroom, so I already developed a folder. See, develop an ad for school event. What to do? So this is the step you're going to do. See, on the second minute, finish your Instagram ad, upload it to Insta, follow the instruction, and upload the link to your ad and submit your work. See, this is my presentation today. Upload the link to your ad. Now, this is how you're going to do it. So please remember, put your Instagram account on public. Oh, this is important. If your Instagram account is on private, please change it into on public until March 31. Why? Because we're going to invite more people to like your Instagram post until March 31. After that, upload your response in the form of the link to Instagram ad. So this is the thing. So when you open this, click copy link, then I'm going to do this. Let me do this. This is Instagram ad. This one. So this is what I'm going to do. View assignment. See, add or create link. Add link. Then copy paste the link. Add link. That's what you're going to do. After you finish, then turn in. Do you understand that? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now take a look at my rubric. So there is a structure. See, read the rubrics. So you can get the best score, like 100. So relevant caption, there is information and the language and likes of you. See, that's why I want you to open your Instagram until March 31, because this one, if you get more than 5 likes, 100 likes or views, I'm going to give you 5 points. If it is between this, 4 points, and then for this one and this one. See, that because there are scores here. So that's why I need to see if it is video, then I'm going to count the view. If it is picture, I'm going to count the likes. After you open it, see, don't forget to tag official Manik. Wait, please note, this is not my way to gain more followers, okay? I don't want you to think that, oh my God, Miss Yuna take this assignment so we can follow her. Not at all. Well, it is better if you follow me, but if not, it's okay. No heart broken, don't worry. Anyway, I need you to tag official Manik, our school, so you can gain more viewers. And please tag me and Miss Eva. Why? So that I can just click from my Instagram account to go to your account. And if you accidentally put it on private, I still can see your post. Okay. And then after that, we will count the likes and views as part of the scoring. So be careful about that. Any questions so far? Can I continue?
Yes, Miss, please.
Okay. Now choose your event. Let's choose your event. You're going to, so this job is individual work. However, you can gather with people with the same interest, with people with the same, hey, I want to make an event, I want to make an advertisement about what competition you have in IFAN or in Sunlis. Mention one competition.
Science call.
What is it?
Science competition, Miss.
What?
Science competition.
Dance?
Science.
Oh, science. Is it science? You mean like quick and smart?
No, there's different.
Oh, okay. What is a science competition anyway? But okay, anyway, science competition, for example. Oh, I want to make an advertisement or a science competition. Okay, me too. So you gather with people with the same interest and you can discuss, hey, where is the information about the science competition? Open this website, or I don't understand. Could you please explain? So you will group with the same people with the same interest, and after, but later you're going to do your own advertisement, okay? Do you understand that?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Next,
miss.
after that, you create your ad. You will create your own ad. See, you may use canva.com for easier work. Do use Canva. Upload in the Instagram and submit to Google Classroom. Don't forget to upload the link to Google Classroom and click submit. Set your Instagram account as public until March 31. Tag our account, send the link to the Google Classroom, and the review will be done next meeting when I see you. Next week, you're going to be with Miss Eva. This is when I'm going to open all the Instagram posts and check who has not submitted. So if somebody asks me what's the deadline, I can tell you when do you want me to give you a score. That is my deadline. Okay, we're going to discuss, but this is the thing, honey. After you discuss with your group, when you think that we have finished discussing, it's good for us, then you may leave the session. Okay, you don't have to say goodbye to me. I understand. I will not be here anyway. But anyway, now let's just, any questions so far? Too long to remember. Oh, okay, I see. Ivan, express your figure of youth along with the rising era. You mean with rising the era of it's with the rising era of Islamic glory. Oh my God, too long to remember. Yeah. Anyway, so I have created the breakout room. So far, I have this. Please tell me if you want me to change. I have 6 Ivan section and 6 Sonlist section. In Ivan, I have storytelling, MHaki, calligraphy, acoustic, digital poster, dai muda. In Sonlist, I have storytelling, story writing, speech, quick and smart, short movie, digital poster. Do you want me to include more competitions? No? Everything's good? Do you think this is good? No? Everything's good? Okay. I'm going to open the math competition. Thank you, honey. I'm going to change Mitch into math competition. Math competition. Okay. Okay. I'm going. Anybody? Any other requests? What competition you need to request?
Miss, I want science competition.